Hello everyone. Today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, counting in tens. Counting in tens. In this chapter we will learn about place value and grouping of tens. Now chickens and the clever fox. As you can see in this picture, there are 3 chickens are there and 1 fox is there. Now Tiklu farmer has many chickens in her farm. There is a farmer whose name is Tiklu and she is having a many chicks in her farm. Now one day the clever fox saw these naughty chickens playing around. One day the fox saw the naughty chickens, they are playing around. वो क्या कर रही थी? खेल रही थी. Clever means चालाक, naughty means शैतान. From that day she started stealing and eating chickens every day. Then the fox was stealing. Stealing means होता है चुराना. When she started stealing and eating chickens every day. उसने daily chickens को चुराना और खाना start कर दिया. Tiklu came to know about it. She asked the fox. Then when Tiklu came to know about it, जैसे ही Tiklu को ये पता चला, she asked the fox. उसने fox से पूछा, Hey, do you eat my chickens? Fox, no dear, I am your friend. How can I eat your chickens? नहीं, मैंने नहीं खाया, मैं तो आपका क्या हूँ? Friend हूँ. Tiklu thought of counting her chickens every morning and evening. Then she started counting the chickens every morning and evening. But the chickens kept moving around here and there. Chickens, they cannot stay in one place, so they were moving here and there. So it was very difficult for Tiklu to count them. So what she has done? She said, I will put 10 chickens in one basket and count them. What she had done, she kept 10 chickens in one basket. As you can see, 10 chickens in one basket. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Now, and if I found any of them missing, I will give the fox a tight slap. Then what she has decided, she decided to keep 10 chickens in one basket, and if the chickens will miss, then she will give a tight slap to the fox. In the morning she counted her chicken. In the morning, how many chickens were there? In one basket, 10 chickens are there. 10 in this basket, 10 in this basket, 10 in this basket, 10 in this basket, and 10 in this basket. So how many are there? 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. 50 are inside the basket. How many baskets of chickens are there? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 baskets are there. But the question is about baskets. कि कितनी baskets हैं वहाँ पे? So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5. How many chickens are there in all? Now we will count how many total are they. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. The 50, 51, 1 is here, 51, 52, 53 and 54. So how many are there? 50 plus 4, 50 plus 4, 54. Now in the evening she counted the chickens again. Earlier she decided to count it twice a day, morning and evening. Now evening time she again is starting. First we will go through this picture. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are dash baskets of 10 chickens. So how many baskets are there? 4. So we will write 4. There are dash plus 3 is equal to dash chickens in all. Now how many chickens are there? In one basket 10 are there. 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. So how many are there? 40. Now why 3? Because 3 are outside, so that is why it is 3 written. 1, 2 3. So 40 plus 3, how 40 plus 3, 3 plus 0 3, and 4, there is no another number, so we will write 4 as it is. So how many total chickens are there? 43 chickens in all. Now in the morning how many were there? 54. मॉर्निंग में कितने थे? 54. नाउ इवनिंग में 43. Dash chickens have been eaten by the fox. Now how many, you have to tell that how many chickens fox has eaten. So how you have to subtract. In morning how many were there? 54, and evening 43. So now you will subtract them. How you will subtract now? Now this you will do small number which is written in down. This number you will keep it in your mind. आपको ये वाला नंबर अपने माइंड में रखना है, विच इज़ द स्मॉलर वन. 3 in my mind, and you have to count till 4. First, before doing this subtraction, first you have to make a face like this. आपको ऐसे मुट्ठी बनानी है. Then 3 in my mind, and you will count till 4. आपको 4 नंबर तक, क्योंकि ऊपर 4 लिखा है तो आप 4 नंबर तक काउंट करेंगे. And you have to raise your fingers. आपको fingers open करनी होगी. 3 4. How many fingers are open? Only 1. So the answer is 1. Next, again we will make a fist. Again we will do the same. What is written here down? 4. And we will count till 5. कहाँ तक count करना है हमें? 5 तक. So 4 5. How many fingers are open? 1. So the answer is 1. In this way you will do this. So the answer is 11. So the answer is 11. Here we will write 11. In page number 26, how many are these? Now, Bhanu collects sticks from the jungle. He sells them in the market. वो जंगल से sticks collect करता है और market में बेच देता है. He uses 10 sticks to make a bundle. One bundle में वो 10 sticks use करता है. See, as you can see this bundle, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many sticks are there in one bundle? 10. So in one bundle 10 sticks are there. 3 bundles have dash stick. अगर one bundle में 10 है तो 3 में कितने होंगे? 10 here, 10 here, and 10 here. You can count like this also. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 1 3. So 3, and after that 0 is written. If we will add the 0, answer will be 0. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Answer will be 30. तो कितने in 3 bundles how many sticks are there? 30. Now how many sticks in all are these? अब आपको पूरे बताने हैं कि ये टोटल कितने हैं. So 3 bundles. If 3 bundles are having 30, then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So the answer is 39. 4 bundles would have dash sticks. अब 4 bundles में कितनी होंगी? If 3 bundles they are having 30, then 4 bundles will have this. You will do it yourself. अगर 3 bundles में 30 हो रही है तो 4 bundles में कितनी होंगी? Today we will do till page number 26. In my next lecture we will continue this chapter.